jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
So today is day 20 of the 25 days of Christmas. It is so close to Christmas, it's crazy. So today we're doing a Tinkerbell look. I know some people might not think as Tinkerbell as being very Christmassy, but I love Peter Pan and Disney, and I have a Tinkerbell on my Christmas tree, so it's very Christmassy to me. So I first start off by putting my foundation on, my concealer, basically doing all my base, my contour and all of that. I do put a lot more blusher on than I normally would though, and I also put it on the end of my nose. When I contour my nose, I also contour around the tip of my nose in a circle so it looks more pixie like. To prime my eyes, I use a concealer and then I set it with some translucent powder. I then fill in my brows like I normally would, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz for this. The first eyeshadow I use is like this lime green eyeshadow that is by Urban Decay in the Electric palette called Thrash. I then use a more forest green in my crease and just blend it out. To tie this look together, I use that Thrash eyeshadow and blend it in my bottom lash line, and then I also get that darker green and blend it on the outside of my bottom lash line. For eyeliner, I use the NYX Glam Liner in the shade Glam Lagoon. To highlight my brow bone, I use the e.l.f. Stardust Glitter Eyeliner in Seafoam. I also use this to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. I next use the Marianne Glitter Fixer Gel to apply some greeny chunky glitter to my cheekbones and then going up to my temples and above my eyebrows. For mascara, I use the YSL Vinyl Couture Mascara in the shade 3. This is a really dark green mascara. I then use that Marianne Glitter to put on the end of my nose to highlight, and then I put on some false eyelashes. Then of course I throw on a wig because when do I not? And then I use again the Huda Beauty Heartbreaker lip liner and lipstick. I then line my waterline with a white eyeliner pencil, and then I am done. I then created these kind of wings behind me, and then I put on this crown and this green lacy top. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please let me know by pressing the like button down below and leaving me a comment. If you would like to see the looks before they go live on YouTube, make sure you follow me on Instagram. My name is @Brooke.Ellis_. It will be on the screen and linked in the description down below. And also, if you do not want to miss any more of my Christmas makeup tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.